that stock.
Let's wrap it up here with the FOMC minutes from its last meeting. We're going to get that at 2 p.m. Now, we heard some rumors from CNBC that perhaps the talk was more hawkish than was reported in the meeting. And it's interesting because it feels like the Fed's really at a crossroads, because if they do wind up raising rates to fight inflation, and if they are more hawkish, that's really just going to kill the banks, like we talked about. It's going to kill every other sector, especially the cyclicals. But if we continue to get worse economic data, will there be some kind of QE3? I feel like these are the two options people are weighing. What do you think?
Well, first, I think they want to just get QE2 finished.
Yeah.
And then if the talk that I'm also hearing is that if the market gets really weak, and right now we've only pulled off like 3-4% from the highs, maybe a QE3 comes into play. But for right now, I think we just want to watch the dollar, we want to watch the euro, and how it reacts to the minutes.
Yeah, and also the debt ceiling, because
Yes.
what happens if they don't raise it?
Well, there's a lot of talk on that, too. I'm hearing now.
If they don't raise it, won't they have to print money just to pay the interest payments, literally?
Yes, I think the next level or the next date is
August 2nd.
August 2nd. So
He's like,
I
"We're
think
done."
that's kind of like off the table for now as far as headlines. They just went through the massive headlines there. So I want to watch gold and silver, based on
As
the
a
minutes. I
barometer.
want to see what happens with the dollar. Silver held that support, in the SLVs. I got to show you real quickly because this pattern actually looks okay here. It's trying to grasp for support. It's in there. It held this low here. I do think these SLVs have a little bit of room here. Also gold, put a little bit of an outside day. So I'm going to watch gold and silver off those minutes to see how the dollar reacts and see if I can play a little bit more of a bounce up to these levels. But, it's getting more prudent to watch what's going on with the Fed, what's going on in Washington, because these dates are coming on close and the market's actually reacting to them. So make sure you know what the headlines are supposed to be and then watch how the market reacts accordingly.
All right, that's it for us for today. Happy trading, everybody. I'm Alex Steele from The Street.
And I'm Scott Redler from T3. Make sure to follow us on the virtual trading floor and the chat room because we will have minute-by-minute updates on what's going on with the stock action. And follow us at the recap. Have a great day trading.